Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while. I've missed you guys. Today I am here to teach you another tutorial. I'm gonna call this challenge boom bam challenge. Boom bam times 2. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it as that. Remember, as always, if you need to pause the video, if you need to rewind it, make sure you do that. Take this tutorial at your own pace. And my number one advice is to enjoy it. Always, always enjoy yourself. Right, with no further ado, let's get into this tutorial. The first thing you want to do before you start this dance is you want to have a relaxed knee. Yeah, make sure your knees are relaxed. So the first move, you're going to step onto your right leg and your left knee is going to come in. This is going to come in on an and count. So when you hear me saying and, it's for your knee to bend towards the center of your body. So that's right, left knee, left, right knee, right, left knee, left, right knee. Okay, so let's put it all together with a count. So that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Notice that my stance is quite wide, which makes the move look a little bit sweeter and a little bit more saucier. Yeah, so make sure your knees are relaxed and make sure your stance is wide. The next move, your right knee is going to go to the right and your arms are just going to go to the left. This arm, you can do it any which way you like. I prefer this. You could do this. You can do whatever you want, yeah? So this is the last move. We're going to go to the right. When we go to the right, we're going to suspend, and the suspension is going to look like whoa, yeah? So from here, we're going to go round. Make sure you go round with your torso. So you're here, you're going to go round, step, left, right, left. Let's take it from this move, yeah? So we're in here, to the right, round, right, left, right, left. So let me break down the left, right, left. Literally, the legs are just doing what it says on the tin, left, right, left. Your arms are gonna do a little swoopy motion, like a little scoopy motion with a swoopy motion, yeah? So you're here, suspense, and here, suspense, and that and is your right leg coming down. So you're here, round, and swoopy swoop, or a scoopy scoop, yeah? So let's go from the top and put it all together. 6, 7, 8, we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and bend your knees and 7 and 8 and boom, got swoopy swoop. So from here, we're going left, right, left to click and. Nice. So this move, your right leg is literally opening up and your right arm is coming out. Same with the left and then the right again and then the left. So you do this move 4 times. So from here, from right, suspense, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, click, click, click. Nice. Let's go from the tippy top and put the whole thing together. 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and left, right. Click, 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 click. Lovely. So the next move, you're going to literally 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me explain that. Yeah, your arm is coming up and then down. And whilst it comes down, your left leg is literally going to take a step back. And whilst all that is happening, it's going to initiate a rotation of the torso. Now, whichever way you would like to rotate your torso is completely up to you. I rotate my torso towards my right leg. So that looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. I know some people feel more comfortable rotating the other way. Do what's best for you, yeah? So let's go from the clicks. So this was right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. The next move you're gonna go and. So your right leg is literally pushing out, your right arm is pushing out to the left, you're grabbing it back, and then you're doing the same on the other side. Your left leg is pushing out, your left arm is pushing to the right, and you're bringing it back. So that's gonna look like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Lovely. Let's go from the top, add in those new moves. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and hey, left, right, right. Then we go boom, 2, 3, 4, and nice. So the next move, we're literally gonna body roll to the front. So that's a roll, yeah? What you wanna do is you want your left knee to be the accent, yeah? So you wanna be stepping on your right. Yes, you kind of hop on your right a little bit. Hop, hop. So from and roll. Just a cheeky body roll, and your arm is literally just going down your torso, and your left knee is accent. Yeah? Cool. So let's go from 1, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Nice. The next move from here, our right feet is going to go onto the back of our left knee, and this is going to come this way. Our shoulder is going to hit. We're going to make a little accent with that, yeah? Boom. Yeah? So all together, it's going to look like boom. Nice. So this is a 7, 8, and boom. Yeah? That's literally that. Let's go from 1, which is the change in the music. 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1. Nice. From here, we're going to go 1 and 2. Yeah? So it's pretty quick, but you can get it. So that's a 1 and 2. Nice. From here and 2, our right knee is going to go to the right, again, to the right. Yeah, so we're going to go right. And our arm's going to go right. Our right arm is literally emulating what our right leg is doing and just going out. A little detail that you could add is your head going to the right on the second move. So that's a right head, yeah? That's just a detail. You don't have to add it onto it. Just, get out a little razzle dazzle, never hurt nobody. Okay, let me add this last movement and then we're done. So we've gone right, and then we're gonna step onto the left, right. And that's it, yeah. Let's stick everything together from the tippy top, slowly, and then we'll do it again, maybe at speed, a little bit faster. And yeah, we'll go from there, from the top. 6, 7, 8, we have 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, suspense, and left, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and a boom, step, step. To the right, look, left leg. Let's go. Hey, nice. Okay, let's do these counts a little bit faster because we've got this. We have. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Hey, left, right, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. We go, boom, step, step, and to the right, and hey, 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 hey. Nice. Amazing. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna attempt to sing the song. Yes, attempt is a very, very strong word in that sentence because I always laugh at myself when I do this. It is important for me to do this so that you guys can better understand the musicality and where certain movements fall within the music. Yeah, does that make sense? It makes sense to me. Okay, cool, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have and let me see how you are bad. Hey, girl, let me see you are bad. Hey. Okay, that's it. That's it, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a lot of fun, and I will catch you in my next tutorial. Thank you. See, let's go. 6. It's literally emulating. It's literally emulating. It's literally. How does the song start again?